A young traveler stands at the edge of a cliff, face uplifted toward radiant sky, poised in the moment before the journey begins. The Fool is zero, the unshaped potential that precedes all form, consciousness before division, innocence before experience. His step is not careless but faithful, guided by a deeper intuition that the path appears only when taken. He walks with trust in life's unfolding, not with ignorance, but with openness. The Fool is the central symbol, pure, uncluttered presence. His white tunic expresses sincerity and untouched essence, while the red feather in his cap signals vitality and the spark of spirit descending into form. He carries a white rose representing innocent desire, the heart's pure longing before it is shaped by memory. His small knapsack rests lightly on his shoulder, holding the latent wisdom of past lifetimes, not yet examined but present as invisible support. The small white dog is the second symbol, an instinctual companion urging him forward. It represents the animal soul, intuition, vitality, and the life force that anchors the spirit in embodiment. The dog leaps at his side not to warn him back, but to accompany him into experience with devotion and instinctive joy. The cliff edge forms the third symbol, the threshold between spirit and matter. It marks the moment the soul chooses incarnation, the leap into the unknown where the abstract becomes lived truth. Standing at this brink, the Fool embodies transition, the sacred space where potential becomes journey. The mountains in the distance are the fourth symbol, tall and jagged, representing the challenges and initiations ahead. Yet, from this vantage, they do not intimidate. They are simply shapes awaiting meaning. They remind us that growth is inevitable, but not yet relevant. For now, the Fool lives in the purity of beginning. The golden sky is the fifth symbol, radiant with possibility. It is the field of infinite potential, the unmanifest realm from which all creation emerges. The Fool's gaze toward this light shows his attunement to inspiration, the inner voice that guides without explanation. Together, these symbols portray the sacred beginning of the Fool's journey. The step taken with trust, curiosity, and wholehearted openness. The Fool teaches that beginnings require courage without certainty, surrender without fear, and belief in the guidance that moves beneath conscious knowing. In readings, the Fool signifies new beginnings, leaps of faith, fresh cycles, innocence, and authentic calling. His wisdom is that life supports those who walk with sincerity. He reminds us that the unknown is not emptiness, but possibility, and that every journey starts by daring to step.